Hi, this is Jason, and today I'm going to talk to you about some common misconceptions about the injury claim process. One of them is that you have to sign every document that the insurance adjuster sends you. Now, there are two insurance adjusters in a typical case. There's the insurance adjuster for the other guy's insurance company and the insurance adjuster for your company. And the distinction is important. Your insurance company, you have a duty to cooperate with them so that they will provide you the contractual benefits that you have paid for in the form of your premiums. So for example, if you have PIP coverage, which is personal injury protection, and you want your insurance company to pay for your medical bills, then you have to cooperate with your insurance company by giving a statement, by filling out the forms that they request, by signing the medical authorizations. That, however, is distinct and separate from what you have to do with the other person's insurance adjuster. Now, the first thing I would say is you do not need to sign anything that insurance adjuster sends to you. In fact, I would advise against signing anything, or at the very least, speaking to an attorney before you make the decision to sign something. Another thing is that you do not have to give the other person's insurance adjuster a recorded statement. More often than not, that is just an attempt to get information that they can use against you at a later date. If there are inconsistencies in your story, or if you say something that might change at a later date, because say they ask you, how are you feeling now? And you say, oh, I'm feeling okay, but then you have injuries that develop later on, they will try and use that earlier statement against you to say that there's no way you could have had injuries that developed later on. The most important thing to remember is that insurance adjusters are not always going to be forthcoming and completely honest with you. We have to remember who they work for. They work for the insurance companies. And it's important to remember that the insurance companies only owe a duty to their shareholders. Their job is to make as much money as they can in corporate profits and not to compensate you fairly.